Not all Skims are created equal. And my skin is plumped and luscious and ready for some serum. What's up guys? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kia and welcome back to another video. Favorites. I'm so super excited. In today's video, I'll be talking about my favorites this month. If that's something that you're interested in, you'll definitely want to stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Come on in, come on in, come on in. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss when I upload. What's up to all my new subscribers? Thank you guys so much for clicking on my face and subscribing to my channel. Okay, let's get right into it. I have so many exciting things to share with you guys. Comment down below and let me know some of your favorites, or let me know if you've tried any of these items that I'm going to share with you today. So you guys know I pretty much all of 2023 I've been on a journey to try to figure out my favorite hair products. Products that work with my hair being curly, products that work with my hair being straight, expensive products, inexpensive products. And I've tried a ton, I reviewed a ton, I've shot a bunch of videos about it. You guys have given me feedback and suggestions, but this, I don't think I've done a video on this. Let's start. This shampoo and conditioner from Bond Bar. I first heard about this shampoo and conditioner here on YouTube, where I saw it come across my screen as a Olaplex dupe. Now, I don't really know. It says it's a bonding conditioner and a bonding shampoo. So I don't know if that alone makes it like an Olaplex dupe, but worth every penny. Run and get it. I'll have the prices listed below, but I do remember them being pretty inexpensive. So I purchased both of these for $9.99, and when I originally purchased it, I thought it was inexpensive, but you can purchase shampoo at Target for like $5, and they come in much bigger bottles. So I can't tell you that it was inexpensive, but for me, I thought it was, you know, a fair buy. I love this shampoo and conditioner. It felt very professional. It gave me luster, shine, moisture without stripping my hair. When I am just looking to wash my hair and I know that I'm going to get good results, I'm always going to use this duo. Favorite, 10 out of 10, 100% recommend. I am interested, let me put these down. I am interested in trying more of the Bond Bar products just because this dynamic duo cannot be touched. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried Bond Bar, and let me know what your thoughts are. Moving over to my next favorite items. You guys, I've been doing a lot, the most. Okay, moving over to some other favorite products that literally have me speechless this month, and that is my K-Beauty, my Korean skincare favorites. I just started using Korean skincare, and how eye-opening has it been for me. Starting off with this moisturizer, you guys, I will try to have it linked below, but this Two Berry Intensive Cream Moisturizer is lightweight and packaging is impeccable, but that's not the reason that I'm here. The reason that I'm here is because this, I couldn't even tell you what's in it. This, I shouldn't be sharing anything that I can't really tell you what's in it. This moisturizer is amazing. It is so extremely nourishing and lightweight. You know, like sometimes with some moisturizers, it'll give you like an intense moisturizing feeling at when you first put it on, but as the day goes on, you start to feel a little dry, especially in the winter. This is all day moisture without it feeling greasy. 1000% recommend. If you're into trying Korean skincare and you kind of don't really know where to start, this is your sign to get this. I'll leave the website below where I purchased mine, and I have already went back to go purchase 2 more of these because I can't go without. And I probably should have switched the order of this, but moving over to another Korean skincare that has just been life-changing is this essence water. There it is. So essence water, you essentially put on your skin after you wash it, tone it. I then go in with essence water. Now, it says it's ginseng root water and 2% niacinamide. So this has been very hydrating, very plumping. My pores have minimized. This preps my skin for everything else that I'm going to do in my skincare routine. I've noticed tremendous results just by using this, and I've used it, I want to say almost 2 months now, and look how much I've used. And then when you shake it out, so what I do is after I wash my face and after I tone, I just put a little on my hand. I go straight on the hand and I put it on my face, pat it in, and my skin is plumped and luscious and ready for some serum. 10 out of 10, 100% recommend. Comment down below and let me know if you tried Korean skincare and where you purchasing it from, girl. Let me know. Comment down below. I've been wanting to share this with y'all for quite some time now, and one of my friends was talking about it, and girl, she tried it, like she's fallen in love with these, and so I feel like I gotta come back and share it with the squad. So that is, and excuse the packaging, I definitely ripped it up for sure. That is these Kiss Mascara lashes. You guys, you can see most of, at one point in my life, I used to get my lashes done every 2 weeks, and I would spend $150 every 2 weeks because the lashes just did something, right? So the pandemic hit and I stopped getting my lashes done, and I just couldn't really convince myself that I was doing enough, post-pandemic to keep spending that amount of money, every 2 weeks to get my lashes done. So then I saw that Kiss has their own lash clusters with their bond. So I tried this and I have not gone back since. Now Kiss offers, so you can purchase 2 type of mascara lashes from Kiss. You can purchase some that already have the glue on them, so you literally just pull them off, stick them to your lashes and go. 1000% recommend these. Or you can purchase them and you'll need the bind and seal, because you'll need to bond the lash, put the lash on, and then seal it. So this process takes a little longer, and this process is super beginner friendly. Comment down below and let me know if you'll want me to do a video showing you how I do my lashes. This mascara duo is definitely a favorite of mine. You guys can see that I've literally gone through it. I have them on today. They do not last me weeks on end. I can usually get a couple days wear out of them, and then I'm snatching them off because I want to wash my face like eyes in awe. So for that reason, they're not like super long lasting for me, but perhaps you figured out a routine where you can get them to last a little longer for you. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried false scarlet lashes before and what do you think. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around. Moving over to another super favorite of mine, and this is kind of coming off of Amazon deal days just a few weeks ago. I picked this item up, and I always pick it up every time that it goes on sale. I have multiple of them. And that is these Pumy bodysuits, Skims dupe. So I haven't opened this one up. Oh, okay. So I got these. Listen, these bodysuits feel so good. They are Skims dupes, and I have tons of Skims stuff. Comment down below if you want me to do like a Skims haul. Well, it really wouldn't be like a Skims haul, it would be like a Skims review, because not all Skims are created equal. Not all Skims are created equal. Now, there's some good Skims stuff, but you kind of gotta weed through what's the good and what's the bad. And I've spent enough money to test it out for all of us. So comment down below and let me know if that's something that you'll be interested in. But this, look at it. And this is a bodysuit. So this is the bodysuit, the Pumy bodysuit. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. Oh my gosh, I think it might be too big. So I purchased it in a 2X, and I think most of my items are either in a 1X or a 2X. But it is thick. Nothing but Skims does this. It is thick, like in the chest area, because I think the goal is for you to go braless. I'm not one of those girls that can go braless, but just the material of it all is squeeze you in. Now that's why I probably should have sized down, just to get more of a snug feel. But anyways, these are my favorite, and you can purchase these on Amazon, and they come in all different like shapes and sizes. So this is the round neckline, and this one is short sleeve. I have one that has like the high neckline, and it is sleeveless. This is in white. Oh gosh. I also have the mock neck one, and this is also in a 2X, but it's like depending on the color, it will kind of change like the sizing that you need. But this is the long sleeve one, and the mock neck, girl, go and get these bodysuits. These bodysuits are everyday staples. I wear these bodysuits weekly to work when I don't really go out that much, but if I'm going out and you see that I have on a black, this is not Pumy, but it also feels really good. Down below, let me know if you've tried them and let me know what you think. Okay, moving over to the last final favorite of mine that has been super personal to me, and not for any particular reason, but just as a way to reassure myself for times when I'm just not clear on the vision, especially when it comes to YouTube. I've thought about quitting YouTube time and time again, just because you guys aren't always talking to me and letting me know what you want to see. So I'm always kind of like in my head about, am I doing the right thing? Are my videos being well received? And making sure that I'm connecting to the audience, you know? So just sometimes I just need validation that I'm on the right track and that things are going how they should go. So I was on TikTok and I saw a video about Lauren London and about how she is you know, feeding herself during this time. And she talked about this, she talked about this daily devotional. And here it is. I'll also be sure to have it linked down below. And she talked about this daily devotional, and I was looking for a new daily devotional. And just to kind of give you a page. Now, I think you can go like day by day on this book, but I find it best to like skim through it and find, you know, what my vibe is that day to see if something can speak to me. And this passage spoke to me. I am now receptive to the idea that I might be blocking myself from receiving more than I'm holding on to. Okay? And the passage about, you know, stop blocking your blessings goes much deeper. And this has been so cool for me. I really enjoyed reading devotionals from this book. It has been life-changing in a way. And so I couldn't wait to come and share that with you guys. Comment down below and let me know if you've had this. Comment down below and let me know some other daily devotionals that hit, okay? Because I'm interested. All right, guys, that does it for today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around and hit the notification bell if you haven't. That way you don't miss when I upload. All right, guys, that does it for today's video. Comment down below and let me know what you think about my favorites this month. If you've tried any of the items that I tried below or shared below, please be sure to leave a comment and let me know your experience with them. Again, I love these videos. I'm not quitting YouTube and I'm here to stay. Comment down below and let me know some other videos you'll want to see from me in the future. And I'll see you guys in the next video.